welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to do the phrasal verb call off. Call off, what does that mean? Well, we know what call means. You know, hello, are you home? Not that kind of call. And off is the opposite of on. But call off has nothing to do with calling someone or hanging up on them or getting off of something. No. Call off means to stop doing or to cancel. We're going to call off the party. The weather's going to be terrible. Got it. We're going to cancel it. Or to order an animal or a person from attacking. Call off your dogs or call off your troops. Turn them around. We got to go. Got it? Call off. To stop doing or cancel, or to order an animal or a person from attacking. Why does English have so many phrasal verbs that are so confusing? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this set of sentences. I hope. My friend didn't call off his dogs from jumping on our tables, so we had to call off our picnic. What? Come on, English.